Yes, students, today we will do the last page of your English reader. It's Let Us Visit the Fantasy Land. Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck are both Disney characters. Do you know? And do you know some of other cartoon characters? Okay. Write the cartoon characters whom you know in your rough notebook and then tell me. Okay. Now observe carefully the park guide to Disneyland, Paris. Study the Fantasyland in the map carefully and read descriptions about its different parts. Let's start it. Let's get started. Okay. C1. C1. It's Sleeping Beauty's castle. It shows old style tapestries and stained glass window related the story of Sleeping Beauty. So it's named as Sleeping Beauty Castle. C2. Yes, C2. What is it? It is a theater. Enjoy the shows based on Disneyland characters. Winnie the Pooh and Friends too. A great entertainment for children. So this is a theater. And then C3. You can see C3 here. What is it? It's a puppet show. We can follow another Fantasyland character, Pinocchio, as puppet. Watch it turning into little boy at the end of an adventure. Now C4. Here it is. C4. What is it? We can enjoy a ride worthy of King Arthur and his knights. Then C5. C5. What is it? It's Peter Pan's flight. Okay, we can meet Peter Pan and his friends in a magical voyage to Never Never Land. And then C6. It's C6. What is it? It's Jumbo the Flying Elephant. We can fly over Fantasyland together with the famous baby elephant. But this ride is not recommended for children under 1 year. Then C7. What is it? It's Mad Hatter's teacups. We can celebrate our visit to Fantasyland with the Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland. And then C8. What is it? It's a small world. Presented by France Telecom, a musical program made children from all over the world in the midst of music and laughter. And then C9. Here it is. What is it? It's a peaceful cruise through miniature scenes from fairy tales. And then C10. Where it is? This is C10. What is it? A charming trip on board Dumbo's Merry Train. It is also not recommended for children under 1 year. Now C11. Here it is. C11. What is it? It's Alice Maze, a maze of hedges leading to the castle of Alice in Wonderland's Queen of Hearts. And then C12. Very sweet. C12. What is it? It's fantasy festival stage. We can check the entertainment program for schedules available at City Hall. And in the last, C13. What is it? It's Disney Railroad Fantasyland Station. It is presented by McDonald's Ride to Discoveryland, Main Street, USA, and Frontierland on board a steam train. So, we have visited the Fantasyland. हमने घर बैठे बैठे ये पूरे फैंटेसी लैंड की विज़िट कर ली है. दिस इज़ डिज्नीलैंड. ओके, ये पार्क है. अलग अलग आपको इसके बारे में बताया गया है, डिस्क्रिप्शंस दी गई हैं, C1, C2, C3, और ये मैंने आपको डिस्क्राइब कर दिया है. नाउ you can answer some of the questions which I am going to ask. How many parts in the Fantasyland divided into? Fantasyland को कितने parts में divide किया गया है? Yes, we can see it is divided into 13 parts. 13 total 13 है तो 13 parts. Okay. What all can one see in the Fantasyland during visit to the park? क्या क्या देख सकते हैं आप अगर आप फैंटासीलैंड में जाते हैं? तो ये जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं आप इसमें से कुछ भी मुझे बता सकते हैं, ठीक है, जो जो भी आपने की हैं. ओके, देन द पार्क कंसिस्ट ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम्स, शोज एंड राइड्स. विच पार्ट ऑफ द फैंटासीलैंड अट्रैक्ट्स यू द मोस्ट एंड व्हाई? इसके बारे में ज़रूर सोचिए और फिर मुझे बताइए कि आपको फैंटासीलैंड का कौन सा पार्ट सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. ओके, नाउ टेल मी, नेम द राइड्स विच आर नॉट रिकमेंडेड फॉर चिल्ड्रन अंडर 1 ईयर. ऐसी कौन सी राइड्स हैं जो 1 साल से कम बच्चों के लिए रिकमेंडेड नहीं हैं? वो मैंने आपको बताई थी. वो हैं कौन कौन सी? एक तो C6 है, Jumbo the Flying Elephant, and then C10 means a charming trip on board Dumbo's Merry Train. It is also not recommended for children under 1 year. Okay. Now tell me some only five famous fiction characters that you happen to meet. Tell me. अब मुझे क्या बताना है, ये तो आप खुद ही सोचिए कि कौन से ऐसे फिक्शन कैरेक्टर्स हैं फेमस जिनसे आप मिलना चाहते हैं. आपके कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, तो वो आपको खुद ही सोचना है कि आप, अगर आपको चांस मिले, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले कि आप किसी से मिल सकते हैं, तो आप किन से मिलना चाहेंगे. The chapter is over. If you have any problem, then feel free to ask me. Bye-bye.